Hello everyone. Let's quickly look at these questions here in logarithm. The question said number A log 64 base 2, log 2 base 16, log 32 base 2. Alright. Now, before I solve this question, I want us to look at the definition of logarithm. The definition there said if log n base a equals x, then a to the power of x equal to n. This is the definition of logarithm. What is it trying to tell you now? Looking at this is log, but seeing this one, this is indices. I have to tell you that for you to be very good in logarithm, you must know indices very, very well. So now, we are going to use this definition to solve this question. Just exactly how this goes. Look at number A. Number A, it says log 64 base 2. Okay, now let's log 64 base 2 equal to x. Then what we have is 2 to the power of x equal to 64. Look at it here. Assuming that this is 64 as n, a is base 2 here, this is x. That means the base 2, the base will raise to this, and we have the number, which is the 64, according to the definition. So now, this one is okay. We are going to consider this. What is it now? This is indices. And when you're solving indices, your aim is to make the power the same. So to make the base the same, or the power the same. But at this time now, we're going to make this base the same. And how are we going to make this thing the same? What we do now is that for us to find the index form of 64, we do 64, 2 here will give us 32. 2 in 32 will give us 16. 2 in 16 will give us 8. 2 in 8 will give us 4. 2 in 4 will give us 2. 2 in 2 will give us 1. You will see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 2 pair of 6. So we have 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 6. This is 64. The same thing as 64. Now you can see that the base are the same. You see the base are the same. Therefore, x equal to 6. Therefore, log 64 base 2 equal to 6. Now, number B question here says, this one now, you can see that the one that has index has come down as a base, while this one have come as the base, now come as the number, the logarithm. So what we do, still the same thing you do. You say log 2 base 16 equal to, let's call it another alphabet, A. Therefore, 16 to the power of A equal to 2. So now you can see that we are going to make the same thing we do here, the index of 16, which is if you put 16 here, 2 here, 8, 2 here, 4, 2 here, 2, 2 here, 1. How many 2 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It simply means that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So we now say 2 to the power of 4. Remember there is A already here. And this A now, if you multiply it by 4, then you have 2 raised to the power 2. So now, what we are going to do here now is we say 2 to the raised to the power of 4A equal to 2. Remember that any number that stands like this has 1 as the power. Now the base are the same. I will say 4A equal to 1. Remember, we are looking for the value of A. You divide by the coefficient of A. This will cancel with this. then what we're going to divide by the coefficient of a, which is 4. So what we're going to have is a equal to 1 over 4. You can have 1 over 4. You can have 4 inverse, still the same. Now you can solve this question C using the same method by